In this video today, we're going to show you how to set up your Zap website and forward it using Godaddy. What you'll want to do is first, in your Zap website, click in the top right-hand corner where you see your name and click on My Website. Once that screen loads, you'll simply want to copy right here, My Website URL. We're going to simply hit copy, and that'll copy it right to our dashboard. We'll then go to your GoDaddy account and simply select the domain name that you want to forward it with, and you're going to hit DNS. From there, we're going to scroll down till we see forwarding, and under domain, we're going to hit add. And what we're going to do here is we're going to change this drop down to HTTPS, and we're going to paste in the URL we just copied. But what we'll want to do is we'll want to scroll to the beginning and just delete the repetitive HTTPS. Once done, you want it to be permanent and forward only. Once you've added all that information, you'll simply hit save. Your domain will then be forwarding within 15 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to email helpdesk@c21ne.com.